Courtesy of your Miami Realtors, you now have access to Savvycard for free from Miami. Savvycard is an electronic business card and referral system that you may add to your mobile device and share with customers, family, and friends, allowing you to establish connections and capture contacts at the click of a button. Savvycard is much more than just a business card. It's a Savvy card. Using nothing more than your smartphone and your Savvycard, you will be able to capture your contact details, empower your referral process, grow your business, generate leads with the push of a button, increase social media exposure, close more deals, shareable web card, easy to use call, text, and email buttons, access to the MLS for your customers, and allow your customers to share your details with future and potential customers. Use this free service from the Miami Association of Realtors. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.